Hey guys, welcome to this beautiful video. You see, I'm so excited. I'm so excited that I don't want to open this big box. I was very hard working in the last weeks. If you didn't see my video about my FPV drone that I bought 3 or 4 weeks ago, then you can check it here out, because it was one of my dreams too, to be a drone pilot. Of course, I want to be in total like a content creator, so one thing was missing. I bought a really expensive camera, and yesterday the lens just arrived and today the camera arrived. I want to do a small unpacking with you guys because it's for me a special day. My dream is coming true, that all my gear that I need, that I wished, that I imagined to use as a content creator is now nearly fulfilled. My tripod is missing. He will, I think, just arrive next week. I have everything now to really focus on good content. I'm so happy to share this with you guys. It's so amazing. Let's unpack this big box here. I think you question yourself, why is this box so big, when I told you right now it was only a camera. There's also something else in this box, but it's a surprise. So you will see it when I open the box. It's a part of my accessories that I need for being professional in filming, and it's not only the camera, guys. This is the camera. It is a beast. All these papers out here. Slowly, guys. Ooh, look at this! Holy moly, guys! This is the Sony FX30. You can flip the screen, guys. Some videographers shoot with this camera Hollywood films. Can you imagine this? Yeah, I have a really professional camera now. I have here the lens. And the lens is also very nice, guys. I have here a wide angle lens. It's the 20mm 1.8 G Master from Sony. Let's adjust the lens here on the camera. Holy moly, look at this. Is it not beautiful? Wow, it was just a dream. Yeah, guys, this is my lovely FX30, and I can say I can now start with my content creation. It is so nice, also the fabric, guys. And of course, I never had this kind of camera before because they're very expensive, also the lens. I have to watch like videos to be really deep in this whole topic about the camera. So look at me. Let's turn this beast on. Where is... Turn on.
2 hours later.
Yeah, guys, zack, zack, zack. Look at this camera. Isn't it such a beautiful thing, guys? I told you guys I have another surprise in this box. Let's continue unpackaging. So, one question before I show you the thing. What do you think is it? Do you have something in your mind that could be like a good accessory for the camera?
Okay.
I have here you have any idea what this here is, it is an accessory for the camera to be better in filming. It is a gimbal, guys. Yeah, my lovely gimbal. I got this gimbal for free. You have to imagine, for free, to this camera. When I bought this camera by the website, they gave me this gimbal here for free. That's crazy, or? This is the gimbal. It is very heavy. It will make all my videos that I want to do more professional. I have to figure this out because, yeah, I never used the gimbal before, I'm very honest, guys, but I want to start being a content creator, a professional filmer and videographer. So for this work I need a gimbal. If this gimbal is not really fitting to me, I will sell this gimbal and buy one from DJI. I was actually buying this one, but this from DJI, the Ares 4 Pro, is very expensive, costs like $1,100. I think for the start, for a free gimbal, which looks really professional, guys, I can't really say that's a bad decision that I made to buy the camera and get this gimbal for free. This was my unpackaging from my camera gear. My camera is now here, the FX30 with the Sony lens and the gimbal, so I'm very happy. I want to use this footage one time in the future because I want to document my whole journey of being a professional videographer, drone pilot, traveling around the world. It's a small start, guys, but it means a lot for me. It means also a lot for me if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I hope you will continue following me. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video.